In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chart of accounts in Intuit Quickbooks. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate QuickBooks with confidence and ease. So let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to begin by signing into your QuickBooks account. If you're not already on the QuickBooks homepage, head over there and click on the Sign In button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page, ensuring a streamlined access to your account. Once you've clicked on Sign In, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the available options. QuickBooks provides several platforms, but for the purpose of today's tutorial, we're focusing specifically on the online version. Selecting this will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Carefully input your username and password and hit Continue to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, direct your attention to the left-hand menu where you will find the Transactions tab. Clicking on Transactions will lead you to a range of financial details, but for today's guide we're heading directly to the Chart of Accounts, so make sure to click on that option. The Chart of Accounts is essentially a directory of all the financial accounts within your organization. This feature in QuickBooks is crucial because it gives you a systematic way to organize your finances. Now, to start creating an account, you should click on the New button. This button is highly visible and is your gateway to adding any new financial accounts to your chart. The first information QuickBooks will ask for is the account name. It's important to have a clear and descriptive name for each account for easy identification later. Enter the name and then move on to the account type. QuickBooks provides a list of types such as asset, liability, or income, among others, to help categorize each account accurately. Select the one that best fits the nature of the account you're adding. Next, you'll need to specify the detail type, which is more specific than the account type, and provides further classification that can be helpful for reporting and analysis. Once chosen, you can then add a description for the account. Providing a concise yet informative description can be beneficial in ensuring everyone involved clearly understands the purpose of the account just by looking at it. Finally, after filling out these fields with the necessary information, make sure to review everything to limit errors. Once everything looks good, the last step is to click on Save. This will add the new account to your chart of accounts, ready to be used in your financial tracking and reporting. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the QuickBooks chart of accounts setup. Remember, maintaining a well-organized chart can immensely aid in proper financial management, so take your time to ensure everything is accurately entered. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to take full advantage of the features within QuickBooks.